I guess it's true.
Oh no!
Well, my brother says he thinks this plane will fly just fine if we cut the propeller to match. I think he's full of shit. Only one way to find out. Let me get my expert measuring device out here. Yep. Oh. Yep, it looks like it's exactly the length to the opening on my pliers. So we're just gonna try and match that with this one. So we just gotta nip off just a little bit there. Yeah. So it looks like we ought to cut it right there. Let me eyeball that real quick. Say that's about right. About right there. Quit spinning, you son of a bitch. What are you spinning for? We'll hold it. Right about there. Beautiful. That looks pretty balanced. Only one way to see. Sounds pretty balanced to me.
Here.
Well, I'll be dead. Hold it again, motherfucker. See, rattled a whole lot less that time. You have to be expertly balanced if you're gonna fly, especially in the wind.
This is insane.
Watch out, guys.
Jesus Christ. Maybe that didn't go so good.